Hello, my name is Theo Koch and I'm with Ruz Rafi and we're going for 7 laps in his third car. This is the Lamborghini Huracan. He's part of the Michelin group here this morning. Okay, well, you want to use the paddles, right?
Sure.
Did you use them in any other cars?
Yes.
I think it's better.
Okay.
Same thing as a Ferrari, you know, they don't follow
They're
when you
fixed,
turn.
yeah.
Which I kind of like. They do that just because they don't want you to shift when you turn.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I'll let you know when to shift just to make your life easier.
Okay.
You know the mirrors are all for me.
Yep.
I'm not going to repeat everything else. They already told you.
Yep.
But I'll just repeat this real quick. Always smooth on the throttle and steering wheel. You know,
Yep.
you want to be tricky. But do you have any questions for me, Ruz?
No, let's do it. Let's rip some
Ready to
tires.
rock? Okay, let's do it. All right, so brake, upshift. So now you're in one auto. Press M for manual. And then press is down for sport mode because now you're in street mode. There you go, now you're in sport mode. So now you get to go
What's
around.
Corsa?
So Corsa is the same as sport, but like a lot less traction control.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, you get to go around here. Yeah, because what sport mode does is tighter steering, less traction control, all the way down there, and opens the exhaust. And again, the Corsa is the same with just less, even more less traction control. And already sport is kind of sketchy sometimes.
Right.
So you'll see. So these are the same tires as the 48 GTB, the
So these
Pilot
are
Sport 4Ss.
4Ss.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. Stop with the blue code here. Because in the GT3 RS,
Wow.
you did the Sport Cup too. See how jerky it is?
Oh, and the brakes, yeah.
Well, the brakes are kind of hot, so it's okay. Yeah, it's just pretty hard to be. It's hard to be smoother in this car because of that throttle pedal. That's pretty quick.
Yeah. It's a lot more aggressive than the other two
Oh,
cars.
100%. Like the way Lambo goes is just a lot more aggressive in general. There's 2 more cars.
Okay.
You feeling comfortable though?
Yeah, can we use a little more air?
More air? Okay, I got you. Is that a bit better?
Oh. What happened there?
You know that's the drift car.
Drifter?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
He's just warming up the car. All right, brother. So you get to go enter and track your moves. So straight here, upshift, stay to the left, up again. All right. So always follow those green cones. Head straight to that turning point here. All right, there it is. Look, warm your other tires. All right, now you get to go. Turn inside the apex now, and look at your exit. Use that track to your left. Squeeze on that throttle now. More full throttle. Let's go. I'll let you know. That was too early on the upshift. Yeah, it's too soon. Stay in this gear. Orange cones, brake now, downshift. Stay right here, stay in this gear. Now, turn, ease them off. It's better on this gear here. Look, hug this apex first, turn. You got more torque in this gear. Go back to your left, on the throttle now. Use that track. Good. Keep going, keep going. Brake now, harder. Stay here, wait for that green. And then turn, ease them off. Turn a bit more, a little bit of throttle. Go back to the right over there, more throttle. Stay to the right side, and brake, stay here. Now turn to your left. You gotta brake a little bit more next time here. Then go back in the middle now, squeeze on that gas again. Now brake, stay here, hard. Wait for that green. Then you can turn in, ease off the brakes inside of the apex. So it's good in general. Just try to look further out. Anticipate. Unwind, squeeze on that gas again. All right, stay here to the right. Release. Turn in a little gas, little gas. Straight line to that green cone. Now brake, straight line. Stay here, downshift. Ease off the brakes. Now turn in, clip it. Look up at your exit. Use that track to your left. Let's go. More throttle. All right, here you go. Upshift. You having fun? Up again. Feels different. Okay.
100%. I actually like it.
Brake, yeah, it's good. Downshift. All right, stay here. Look, turn a bit later. Release your brakes. Now turn in. And by turning later, you have a better angle.
Yeah.
So now you get to go back on throttle a little sooner now. And unwind to your left. Use that track. It's better like that. Brake now, harder. Downshift. All right, now turn, ease off. Turn a bit more. A little bit of throttle now. Go back to your right over there. Keep on going. Stay here and brake. Now turn to your left inside of the apex. Now turn. And then on top of the hill, go back in the middle. Unwind, squeeze them now. And then brake straight line. Stay here to the left. Okay, now turn, ease off. Now clip it inside. Be patient. Turn a bit more first. Yeah, that was a little early on the throttle. Unwind now, squeeze them. Go back to the right side here. There you go. All right, release. Turn in. Little gas, little gas. Straight line to that green. Now brake hard. Stay here. Downshift. Now turn inside of the apex. Clip it. Be patient. Use that track to your left side here. Unwind like this. There you go. Full throttle. Upshift. Pass him on the right here. Alright, now brake hard. Stay here, downshift, hold the brakes. Okay, now ease him off, turn in now. Inside of the apex, turn a bit more, clip it. And now look up, use that track after. You gotta hug it more next time there. And that's why you got pushed out really quickly. Brake now, harder. Stay right here. Now turn, ease him off now, clip it inside, turn. Go back to the right, on the gas now. And then brake, stay here. Now turn to your left inside of the apex, turn a bit more, wait to be on top. And then go back in the middle now, unwind, keep on going. And then brake brake, straight line here. There you go, stay here. And then ease them off and clip it again. Turn a bit, on more, turn more. And then unwind a bit more. Straighter wheel, straighter wheel. You're keeping too much steering in the end.
Okay.
All right, release, turn, a little bit of gas. Yes, straight line. And then brake hard, stay here, downshift. Turn to the right, turn more. Look up at your exit, be patient. Smooth throttle to your left now, to your left, to your left, to your left. Use that track, upshift. See what I mean there? Up again, there's so much space out there.
Okay.
Brake hard, harder, downshift. So stay right here, remember. Now turn in now, a little bit of gas. Want to go, hug it, turn more. And then you get to go back and throttle. Look at that line. Perfect. Yeah, exactly. Hard brake now. Stay here, anticipate your corner. Turn, ease off the brakes. Good use of the track there. Turn more. Go back to the right, on the gas now.
Yeah,
And then brake. Yeah, you got it. Now turn to your left, turn. Wait to be on top though. And then go in the middle now, on the throttle. Good. Straight line here. Brake now. Brake for that green. And then you can turn inside of the apex. Be patient. You gotta turn more first. And then unwind a bit. Straighter wheel. Let's go. Throttle to the right after. Release. Turn in. Gas a little bit. Yeah, straight line. Brake hard now. Hard. Downshift. Turn to the right again. Clip it. Turn inside. Now look up at your exit again. Use that track to your left. Yeah, exactly. Full throttle. Upshift. All right, take a deep breath again. And brake. Yes, downshift. Stay right here. Stay wide. Ease off and turn. A little bit of gas. Turn a little bit more though. Turn a bit more. Turn. And go back on squeeze it now. Unwind it past the straighter wheel. Brake hard. Harder. Yeah. Now ease off and turn. Good catch at the end. Turn more. Go back on the throttle a little bit. To the right side. More. And then brake. Stay here. Now turn to your left again. Clip it. Turn. Wait to be on top. Go back after in the middle. Unwind a bit. That was a little early. It's okay. Keep on throttle. Brake harder. Stay right here on the left. And then you can turn inside of the apex now. Clip it inside. Turn. Smooth. Unwind a bit. Straighter wheel. Go back to your right now. Release. Turn in. Little gas. Straight line to that green. Now brake hard. Stay here. And then you can turn inside of the apex. Oh, that was too soon. See what I mean? Yeah. Try to go a little wider next time. All right, come on. It's not bad, but you can do better. All right, stay in this gear. It's okay. Brake hard. Downshift again. No, on here. There you go. Ease off now. Turn. Clip it inside here. Turn a bit more. You want to stay inside. Now you get to go back on throttle now. Yes. Straight line. Yeah. Brake again. Harder. Stay right here. Adapt. Turn in. Ease off. Turn. Look up. To the right here. Unwind a bit more. Straighter wheel. Stay here. That was too much steering again.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's okay. Turn more. Don't have that tunnel vision. Look further up. Let's go, brother. Come on. No, you got it. No worries. And brake. Stay right here on the left. Anticipate your corner. Now you can turn inside of the apex. Clip it though. Turn. Smooth throttle out. Unwind. Straighter wheel. That's too much steering again. There's too much steering again. It's okay. No, yeah, it's just at your exit, you gotta use more track. All right, go back on the throttle. Straight line. And brake. Stay here. All right. Ease off. Now turn to the right now. Clip it inside. Now use the track to your left. Unwind. There you go. Like that. Full throttle.
Let it glide a little bit.
Yeah, just let it glide.
Yeah.
There's so much room. All right, come on. Then brake now. Downshift. There you go. Turn, ease them off. Turn, hug it inside. Turn more. And then look up. Now squeeze on that throttle now. Use that track here. Full throttle here. Keep it. Brake again. Stay right here. Hold the brakes. Turn, ease them off. Turn a bit more. Little throttle. Go back to the right. Now more throttle. Stay here and brake. Now turn to your left. Turn a bit more. Turn. And then on top here, go back in the middle now. Squeeze on that gas. Unwind. Don't worry. Passes. And brake now. Stay here. All right. Release your brakes. It's already finished.
Oh, wow.
7 knots.
That was awesome, dude. I think this is my favorite.
Is it?
I think this is my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah, again, like really different, right?
Yeah.
It's
Completely different car.
Yeah. In terms of handling, the throttle response and everything. Yeah, go all the way around.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Hey,
Sorry, I was having a little too much fun there.
No, you're good. It's just that at the end, you're just keeping too much steering.
Yeah.
You can't accelerate if you steer like this, you know.
Right.
The more you unwind, the more you can accelerate, and the car will allow you to go faster like that. Let's do it right here, this row.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Park between the green one and the yellow one.
That was amazing.
Feels good, huh? Right here. Perfect. Alright. Stop here. Touch both paddles. Release your brakes. Turn the wheel to the right. Hey. Good job, bro.
That was awesome.
That was good. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I mean, I knew what to do,